In this video, we're going to take a look at finding the first 5 terms of a linear sequence using its nth term. So in this first example, the nth term we got is 4n plus 7. So what that means is whatever term number we've got, that's going to be our n. We'd have to multiply it by 4 and then add 7. So our first term, that's going to be where n is equal to 1. So it'd be 4 times 1 and then add 7. Of course, 4 times 1 gives us 4. And we add 7, that gives us 11. So our first term would be 11. Our second term, that's where n is going to be 2. So we do 4 times 2. Again, we add 7. 4 times 2 gives us 8. And we add 7. And we get 15. Our third term, n's now going to be 3. So we'd have 4 times 3, add 7. 4 times 3 gives us 12. And then when we add 7, we get 19. So our third term will be 19. Our fourth term, this is where n will be 4. So 4 times 4, add 7. Or 4 times 4 gives us 16. And if we add 7, we get 23. And then finally our fifth term, where n is equal to 5. So 4 times 5, add 7. 4 times 5 is 20. And we add 7. And we get 27. So our first 5 terms would be 11, 15, 19, 23, and 27. Now what we may have noticed is that if we look at this sequence, we see we're actually going up by 4 every single time. We'll also notice that our nth term starts with 4n. So this tells us whatever we've got with our n is 4n, means we're going up by that 4. Okay, so what we could do is we could have actually just worked out this first one, got the 11 and said, well, because we got 4n, we're going to be going up by 4 each time. And we could have sort of skipped a lot of these steps, just so we're going up by 4, so we'd have got 15, 19, 23, and 27. Well, let's now look at another example. This time, we have 5n plus 2. So again, we need to find our first term. That's where n is going to be equal to 1. So 5 times 1 just gives us 5. We add 2. 5 add 2 would give us 7. And now, like we said just now, we go up by whatever we got with this n. We've got a 5n this time, so we're going up by 5 each time. So if we go up by 5 from 7, we'd end up with 12. Our second term would be 12. We've got to go up another 5, we'd get 17. Another 5, we get 22. And another 5, we'd get 27. So our first 5 terms would be 7, 12, 17, 22, and 27. Okay, here's one for you to have a go at then. So if you just want to quickly pause the video and have a go at this one here. So if you try to find the first 5 terms of the sequence 3n minus 1. Okay, going through this one then. So our first term, of course, is going to be where n is equal to 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. Take away 1, we'd get 2. Now we've got 3n, so this means we're going up by 3 each time. So if we go up by 3 from 2, we'd get to 5. Another 3, we get to 8. Another 3, we get 11. And another 3, we get 14. So our first 5 terms for 3n minus 1 would be 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14. Make sure to like and subscribe for more maths videos. Thank you.